All right, so here we got Ethereum here on Coinbase on the 4 hour. So far, that purple region, that precision region that we had within this red zone, has got respected, like we were talking about yesterday. Let's zoom in a bit. Looks like we're trying to break it right now. If we can break it, come on, zoom in, dude. Damn. All right, so if we can break it, I would expect us to come up to this 100 SMA on the 4 hour. Your RSI entering the bullish control zone. So it looks like our bullish momentum is just starting to pick up. Your MACD, something is up on my chart. Let's go ahead and do this. So yeah, if we can break the 100 and this VPVR POC point of control, I would expect us to come up to that 2100 level. So we were talking about this 1900 level. We have gotten there. Like I was saying yesterday, as soon as we broke this 21, that's where I was expecting us to go. Your MACD did get a fresh cross of the 0 line as we are grinding out the bottom of the bullish control zone. Your vol looks like it's expanding. As you can see, your BBWP is in the upper zone now, above that moving average. Your 21 and your 50 look like they are curling around, some nice upside curvature. Now, Ethereum is just starting to build its positive momentum. It was weaker than Bitcoin at first when we were in this region down here grinding out the bottom. But now it looks like its bullish momentum is just starting. So like I was saying, if we can break this 100, I need a drink. So like I was saying, if we can break this 100 and this POC point of control, we'll probably come up to this 2100 level. If we can break that, next spot would be the 200 at 2276. Probably get a wick up to this purple region at 2300 region. And that would be what I would be looking at for Ethereum. Let's zoom in down to the 1 hour. Okay, so here on the 1 hour, higher highs, higher lows. Even if we get rejected from this point, we'll still make a higher high. Like we had this region mapped out. That's where we went. Bullish control zone on the RSI. MACD, though, looks like it's either going to get a retest or a fresh cross to the downside. You are printing a dark red bar on the histogram. Your vol has contracted all the way down. As you see, your BBWPs in the lower zone still contracting. So we could have reaccumulation range right here from basically from the bottom of this red region to this purple region right here. So the top of your red region comes right in at the POC point of control and the VPVR. If we can get above that, I mean, it's probably going to be smooth sailing to 2100. So that would be what I'd be looking at. Bearish case is that we break this last low and make a lower low, also breaking this 21. If we do that, I think we come back down to the 1840 region. If we break that, down here to the 100. If we break that, I think we're going to make a new low. That would be what I'd be looking at for the bearish case. Already covered the bullish case. Let's move on to Solana. Oh, by the way, on Ethereum, let's go back to Ethereum real quick. On Ethereum, your moving averages have crossed bullish. As you see here, your 21 and your 50 both cross the 100. All three of them have a good fan out and positive slopes. Looking good trend-wise. Let's go to the stochastic real quick. And you are in the overbought zone. So strong momentum, but it wouldn't take much to turn it around. Topside Bollinger Band comes right in at the POC point of control and the VPVR. Strong level of resistance right there. Let's move on to Solana. We'll start with the stochastic and Bollinger Band. Okay, so come on, Trading View. Damn. Okay, so Trading View is pissing me off. Let's try this one. Sorry about the wait. Come on, dude, don't do this. Okay, so it's gonna piss me off. Looks like we're gonna wait a second. Hopefully it even does it. Or we might be cutting this video short. There we go. Okay, so higher highs, higher lows. Well, besides for this, we are making a lower low right now, but we got good support here at the 21 and the 50. Your moving averages have positive slopes besides for the 200. Looks like that's where we got rejected from. We were talking about the 200 though. As soon as we broke this 21 right here, and right now it's holding us up. We are in the neutral zone, so our positive momentum hasn't really taken off yet. I mean, your MACD below that signal line, but you are losing your downside curvature on your histogram. You are printing light red bars now, so your negative momentum looks like it's waning a bit. Your vol is basically riding that middle line. You are below the moving average, so you're not really, I mean, you don't have as strong of an upside curvature as Bitcoin, but still finding support at the 21. You know, we barely made a closure below it, popped right back up, and basically front ran the 50, had this level on the VPVR active support. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so have not made a higher high yet. So basically until we get above this last range high and the POC point of control at $51, that would be when I would expect us to get up into this purple region at 62 region. If we break down below this 21 and this second POC point of control in the VP